Hi guys, welcome to this channel weekly, and in this video we will be talking about Hyperledger Fabric channels and ledger. The mode would be by mind mapping, and you can get this mind map from the link mentioned below in the description. Before we start, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you are updated about the latest videos that are being uploaded in this channel. So when we talk about the channels and ledgers, Hyperledger Fabric offers ability to create channels. So when you form a network and in the network you have different consortiums, the Hyperledger Fabric allows a consortium to form a separate channel. So channel is a primary communication mechanism by which the members of the consortium can communicate with each other. So in the network you can have different multiple channels, right? If two of the participants in the network, that is a consortium, suppose there are two people in the consortium forms a channel, then the participants have copies of the ledger for the channel. So no other participants can know what's happening in that ledger. So channel allow group of participants to create a separate ledger of transactions. So only that nodes that participates in the channel will have access to the smart contract and the data transacted. So with this functionality we can have the confidentiality through the channels architecture. And coming to ledger, as everyone knows, it's an sequenced tamper resistant record of all state transitions. State transition is nothing but change of the state. So when does it happen? It happens when result of chain code transactions submitted by the participating nodes. So the ledger is comprised of the chain to store the immutable sequence records in blocks as well as state database to maintain the current state. So always there is one ledger per channel. Suppose if a peer is connected to two channels, the peer would be maintaining two separate ledgers. So each pair maintains a copy of ledger for each channel of which they are a member. Now ledger has two parts, one is transaction log and one is state database. So in the transaction log, all the transactions which have been done would be in the transaction log. And the transaction log is implemented using a level DB where you cannot do some of the CRUD operations in that and read it basically. And the second one is the state database. In this you have the current state of assets in the state database. So that state database is a pluggable one, and CowGB is the one which is recommended by the Hyperledger Fabric. And that's all about the Hyperledger channels, Hyperledger Fabric channels and ledgers. We'll be updating more videos, and in the next videos we'll be starting developing a network where we can add consortiums, peers, ledgers. So again, that would be a series of 5 to 6 lectures which would be very interesting. Subscribe to this channel. Till then, sayonara.